Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The video is all about Jeffree Star's new, beautiful, perfect, can't stress this enough, perfect concealers and setting powder. I'm going to be reviewing his Rose setting powder and his C4 and C8 concealers. These are what the packaging looks like. And I'm sure you guys have seen these, but I'm going to show you anyways. These are the concealer packaging. It is so freaking pretty. I've kept these for like 3 weeks in the in this little Jeffree Star travel case because I have nothing else to put in it because I'm scared to put my makeup in it because I don't want to ruin it because it's so fucking pretty. So I've been putting my Jeffree Star boxes in it because I'm a hoarder and that's what hoarders do. We keep things we don't need. I literally have his tissue paper still. Why? I don't know. I guess I'm just freaking insane and crazy obsessed with Jeffree Star, so I just keep his tissue paper, or because maybe it's pink and I love pink. I don't know. We'll go with both. This is what the setting powder box looks like. It's very cute. I personally like these boxes more though because there's sparkles on it and it's cute. I'm going to quit talking and we're going to get started with this video. I have already moisturized my face with the e.l.f. moisturizer. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Next, we are going to use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation, and I am color Creamy Nude. I've been living for this foundation. It's been working very, very good for me. It's full coverage. It lasts. It's really good. Oh yeah. Going down the neck. Excuse me while I put on some of my lipstick. I just can't deal with my puny ass little lips. Voila, we're good again. I am going to take both concealer shades so you guys can see what both shades look like on the skin. Oh, there's lipstick on this one. So we're going to start out with C8.
Yeah, I see.
This is going to go on the outer side.
I want to show them my toy.
Yeah.
It's my toy.
So this concealer does not have a smell at all, which is a good thing for a lot of people. A lot of people don't like this sense of makeup. This star on here is actually really nice feeling. This one feels a little bit loose though, but my other one feels pretty damn sturdy. So this is C4 and I'm putting this in the corner on my nose, put a little bit down here, a little bit in the middle of my forehead.
And this is my lipstick.
I forgot to tell you, it has this slanted, Kylie stop. It has a slant to it, which it has a point, so it makes it a lot easier to apply in the corners. I personally like concealers that have the thicker applicator, but honestly this works amazing. Like it's, I'm going to zoom you in so you can see in detail.
watch cat. I want it. I want it. Please, I want
Comes
it.
out so beautiful.
I want it. No,
Kylie, please go in the other room.
no, honey, $2.
Look how beautiful that looks.
Oh,
Stunning!
please.
No. Aging who? We don't know her.
So cute. So fuzzy.
Absolutely stunning. Beautiful.
I don't get kitty. Go. I want to pet it. No, this is real fun. You should get it. Yes, mommy, yes. 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 Let's go to the manager. The manager's.
Sorry, I had to pause the camera because my daughter is being a devil in disguise. Look. Stunning. Stunning. This side. Look at my forehead. Such... It makes me so happy. I'm so proud of him for doing such a good job. Use this only for special occasions. This is that type of concealer. Start talking about the setting powder. So this is the Rose setting powder. I've used quite a bit of it already, as you can tell. You know, see where I've used a lot of it already. It really works good with fine lines. It works good with smoothing out the pores. It works good with blurring everything. Makes it so smooth on the skin. It's, I don't know, like, it's, my only thing that I dislike about this is that there could be a little bit more of product in it. Like, how great would it be if we could get a size like this? I mean, I know you're, this is $22 and this was like $6, but still, like, how awesome would it be if you could get a big ass thing of Jeffree Star setting powder and a thing like this and not have to buy any for a while? And like, I'm so scared to use it because I don't want it to go away and I don't have no money right now to buy any more, so. These products will be used for special occasions only, and it's going to stay that way until I get more. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star and Morphe JS2 setting powder brush. Now this powder does have a light smell. It smells like cotton candy. My fault is it will get kind of all over the place in here, but I mean, it fucking works good, so there's not really much to complain about. It smells so good. It's like a early 2000s vibe because that cotton candy kind of reminds me of that cotton candy spray that I used to have when I was younger. Press this. Let's zoom you back in again. Some of my brush here. I kind of like to tilt my head back when I'm doing it too, so I don't waste any product. Alright, look at this side of the skin, look at this side of the face, and then this side. Can you tell the difference? Because I sure can. Makes me so happy, I don't know. I absolutely just love this so much. So stunning. Absolutely beautiful. A plus, Jeffree Star. A fucking plus, man. You did good. You did good! Alright, so for bronzer, I am going to use the BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer. Bronzer Babe. This color is almost too dark for me, so I kind of have to, like, make do. I just barely tap it in, and... oh, nothing came off on that one. Work it in. Work it into the skin, baby. There we go. And a little bit up top. That looks too dark. Double chin, get rid of that. highlighter, we're going to use the none other Jeffree Star King Tut highlighter. Literally, this is I use this. Why am I holding this upside down? This is my holy grail of highlighters because it's not extremely bright. I'm not a blinding type of highlighter person. I mean, this can get blinding if you use too much, but it kind of matches like the contour, so it just kind of works just so good. Okay, this is it. This is the finished look. What are you guys thinking about it? Let me know what you guys think of his concealer. Let me know, you know, how you feel about it. If you have had any troubles with it. Honestly, the only issue that I noticed about it was maybe I would like it better if it had a thicker applicator, but there's nothing wrong with the applicator. That's just a personal preference of what I would like on the concealer. But these, I mean, they're amazing. Formula's great. This powder, like I said, my only personal preference would be that more product comes in the container. But other than that, I don't know. There's nothing to complain about. I don't know. They're just so good. I will be purchasing these again whenever I get more money. And whenever I run out of these, I'm going to be so sad when I run out. And watch, I'm going to end up running out. And then whenever I need to restock, it won't be in stock. Watch. That is, I'm going to take one last look at my face. So pretty. Well, that is it for this video. Hi, Cookie. What's she doing? Here. Say hi, Cookie. Say hi. Okay, that's Mommy's annoying voice. No, there's cat hair all over me. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for staying with me and watching throughout. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos. This video was dedicated completely to Jeffree Star. See you next time.